Just kind of a local market stuff, everybody here. Local markets. Sawadee. The local village people and all these wonderful foods. Look at the mountains wrapped around us. We are in Laos. This is Laos, Asia, knee-deep Asia. On our way to Vietnam. Dien Bien Phu. Sawadee. I like this hat. Looks Vietnam. Sawadee. Look at this. Sawadee. Saplai, saplai. Cup chai. I got here a few coconuts last night. Oh, but they were horrible. My God, I got 3 of them for 100 kip. About $4 or $5, but they were dry and it's kind of a nasty taste. I've been fasting, so I've been nothing on like coconut water. Sawadee. Now we got the local people from Laos. Sep lai, sep lai. Sep, sep. Huh? Oh, name? Me, Luis. Your name? Me, Luis. You? Name? Me, Luis. You? Kamsu. Kamsu, okay. There we go.